Meaning of financial year.
Financial year.
Financial year.
Financial year.
Financial year. A financial year refers to a 12-month period used by companies and organizations for accounting and budgeting purposes. It is not always the same as a calendar year and can start and end on any date. For example, many businesses in Australia start their financial year on July 1st and end it on June 30th of the following year. During this period, the company will keep track of its financial transactions, prepare financial statements, and use the information to plan and make important decisions about its future operations.